Hello Hennessey fans, my name is Alex. Welcome to the Hennessey YouTube channel. We're on the Pennzoil Proving Ground test track, and behind me I have two heavy all-wheel drive supercharged V8 vehicles, one of them being our brand new H850 Escalade-V and the other being a Ram 1500 TRX bone stock. So we actually have done this race before. We did a stock versus stock race, stock Escalade-V, stock Ram TRX, and the Escalade-V actually got bested by the Ram TRX. So today we're going to find out if the H850 package has anything to say about that. All right, gentlemen, let's race.
All right, we've got the first race lined up. We have the Escalade-V Hennessey H850 package lined up against a stock Ram TRX. Let's see what happens. That's definitely a couple car lengths, 2.5 car lengths maybe. The Escalade-V is one of those vehicles that just does it all. It's fast, it's luxurious, it is practical, it's got third row seating, it's got trunk space, you can go on a road trip in it. It sounds great, it's got a supercharged V8. What more can you ask for out of a super SUV except for a little bit more horsepower? And that's exactly what we've done with the H850 package here on this Escalade. Comes with a 3-year 36,000 mile warranty from us. You get peace of mind with a modified vehicle. It's a really great setup.